In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this Cuddle sign using a new stenciling technique. Hi, I'm Cynthia Nessel at Create with Cynthia. This channel is an expression of who I am and what I love to do. My hope is that you'll be inspired to create with me. So grab a cup of coffee, take a seat, and let's get started. I love taking old signs and repurposing them, and that is exactly what I did with this sign. On this project, I used Debbie's Design Diary DIY paint in the color White Swan, as well as the color Little Black Dress. I also used Debbie's Design Diary DIY paint in the Big Top, which is a clear matte sealer. And I used the blending brush. I worked with Essential Stencils and their stencil brush to create the design. For the frame on the sign, I used DIY paint Dark and Decrepit. The stencil pack I received from Essential Stencils included 2 stencils. I decided to use the stencils that said, "We should cuddle." Once I placed the stencil on my sign, I used frog tape to adhere it into place. This eliminates the stencil from shifting. Last month, I created a laundry sign with Essential Stencils in my video called Laundry Closet Makeover. I'll leave the link in the description box below. On that video, I used a technique for stenciling called pouncing. And in this video, I'm trying out a new technique. In previous projects where I stenciled, I applied the paint to the stencil using a pouncing motion. On this project, I decided to try a different stenciling technique. In this technique, I'm using the same stencil brush, but I'm applying the paint in a swirling motion. Keep in mind, it's a dry brushing, swirling motion technique. There is not much paint on my brush. I found by using this technique, the process was a lot faster. Once your stenciling is complete and you've removed your sign, you can clean it in warm soapy water. I'd suggest using a sandpaper to distress the sign. 320 grit sanding block works perfect. I apologize that you can hear kiddos in the background, but that's a mom. I'm now using Big Top by DIY Paint to apply a top coat to my sign. Let your sign dry overnight and then hang it on the wall. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell. You can also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Now go out there and create something.